Here we go. We're just on a film and roll. Reselling Q&A. Here we go. I just filmed another video. I just already said that. We're on a roll though. Here we go. Okay. First question, because this is a new video. I've watched your channel for a couple of years now, and thank you. I've learned a lot from you. You're welcome, Kathy. Thank you for watching me for a couple of years. My question is, what kind of employment did you do before reselling, if any? Personally, I worked in sales of some kind most of my career, almost 46 years. Mainly convenience stores and server at restaurants. I know you have an older son and then 4 younger children, so I'm just curious about your past jobs. Thank you for your honesty, and I'm really happy that you found a work-life balance. I'm almost 60, and I'm playing around with reselling to help me not work until I can retire and possibly beyond that. That is so cool. Okay, so previous jobs. I've had a lot. My first job, I worked at Rite Aid. I was a cashier, and I was talking about this with my son like a couple months ago, like over the summer when he was like looking for a job, but I was like nervous to have him get a job because of the fucking pandemic. But yeah, I was talking to him about like hourly wages and stuff, how like McDonald's, you start out at like $20 an hour now, which is, or is it like 15? It's like $15 to $20 an hour, which is, it's crazy because it's fast food, I think, my personal opinion. But yeah, my first job when I worked at Rite Aid, I made $6.25 an hour. Now minimum wage is what? Isn't it like $12 an hour or like 15? It's like double what I made when I had my first job. Okay, I feel really old. So yeah, I worked at Rite Aid. I've worked at Target. I've worked like mainly retail jobs. Yeah, mainly retail jobs. I've worked for LL Bean. I did work at an insurance office actually for a couple years. I worked for Apple. I've had like mainly retail jobs, a couple of sales jobs, but honestly nothing beats owning your own business and working for yourself and not having to listen to anyone. Like it's amazing, and I'm so blessed, and I just love it. Next question. I have a question. What is with the accounts that join that say Posh M as the username? Are those scam accounts? Should they be blocked? I've seen several. So I feel like scammers go through like waves in Poshmark where they create like multiples or like similar usernames. So I know there was a time where it was like John Doe 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it would be like, you know, a first name and a last name and then a bunch of numbers. It's the word scam. I think I'm gonna make a video after this, guys. Like with so much content just like brewing in my brain. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about a scam that recently happened to me because I'm pissed. If you're seeing a bunch of usernames with the same like type of name, it's most likely a scammer, and yes, I would block them. Hi Vanessa, I really value your opinion, so I'm curious what you think about the recent drama with Harry Tornado. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to his latest live stream video and watch at this whatever timestamp, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Would love to know your thoughts. Okay, so I actually watched his live stream. I actually do watch his videos, and I do know what you're talking about. I'm not gonna go into detail. Basically, he talked about a woman's body, and yeah, it was just like super inappropriate and uncalled for and just honestly fucking creepy. Prior to him talking about this woman, I had no idea who she was, and now I love her channel. Like, I've subscribed to her channel. I follow her on Instagram, and she actually followed me back on Instagram. Yeah, she's got great content, and she definitely deserves way more subscribers. Her YouTube name is Mama Says Thrift. Her real name is Hannah. Again, I'll link her channel down below. She makes great videos. I love her personality, and yeah, she just unfortunately, he talked about her just in a way that is just fucking weird. And yeah, I don't know, but he issued like an apology. And yeah, I mean, that's the thing with like social media and like these influencers. Like, his channel grew very quickly, and I almost feel like, I don't know, some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, you're talking shit about him, Vanessa, but I'm real with you guys. I like his videos. He has very clickbait titles. I feel like that's one of the reasons why he grew, because his titles are very clickbait, which that's the name of the game on YouTube. Clickbait titles. I had a sweatshirt the other day that I was wearing that said clickbait. This one, by the way, it says Noble. I stole this from my husband. He found it at the Thrift, and I'm like, I might. Noble's a brand, by the way. Yeah, I kind of like it. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh, influencers. So I feel like, what was I saying? Where was I going with that? Oh yeah, okay. So his channel grew pretty quick, and I feel like he kind of thinks he's like invincible. And I feel like a lot of influencers feel that way. Like once you get at a certain level and you have like a lot of followers, you're like, yeah, and you feel like a sense of invincibility. So I think that you shouldn't feel that way. I think that you need reality checks every once in a while, because those same people that are paying your bills, like literally your viewers are paying your bills. So I feel like those people that pay your bills can turn on you in an instant and, you know, you can be canceled. I honestly don't see anything wrong with like cancel culture as long as, you know, you're canceling the person for a good reason. Like, do I think he should be canceled because of what he said? No, but I do think he needed a reality check. But if you fuck up big time, absolutely you should be canceled. I don't know why people are like, oh my God, cancel culture is so toxic. It's like, no, actually the fucking person that fucked up is the toxic one. Again, if you're canceling them for a legit reason, yes. If you're canceling them for, you know, like a simple mistake that somebody could make and it doesn't harm anyone, then that's a little ridiculous, yes. But yeah, I feel like a lot of these influencers feel like they're invincible, and a lot of people need reality checks. Like, I've been doing this for a long time. I've met so many people on here, and it's like the ones that are just like so, you know, nice and kind on camera are just fucking assholes in person. Like it's crazy. Some people have completely different personalities. Some people are exactly the same, which is great. I've met people that are exactly the same as they are on camera as they are off camera. One person that comes to mind is Jen from Jen Loves Reviews. She's a beauty channel. She doesn't do reselling, but that's how my channel first started. I was in the beauty community. So yeah, I'll link her channel down below. She's amazing. I have met her a couple of times, and she's just as real in person as she is on camera. And I feel like that's how you should be. Over the years, I've definitely met a lot of people that are just completely different. I mean, it's one thing, you know, to have a bad day, or, you know, maybe you're not as like outgoing as you are on camera. You know, they might be shy or whatever, but I'm talking about people that have like drastically different personalities. Like, and I've met a bunch. I've never met Josh, Harry Tornado, so I don't know how he is in person. I'm not saying that about him. I'm just saying that about influencers in general. I have met a bunch of people that are just completely different in person. Now, those are my thoughts on the situation. I did think it was very inappropriate what he said. He did apologize to her. No, I don't think he should be canceled because of it, but I do think that he needed a reality check, because you can't just say what, I mean, well, you can say whatever the fuck you want to say, but there are consequences. I will link Hannah's channel down below, and you guys should go subscribe to her because she does make great content. Tell her she needs to make more videos though, because she doesn't make enough videos in my opinion. I think she has a real job outside of YouTube though, so maybe that's why, but still, Hannah, please make more videos because I really enjoy them. All right, I'm gonna go now because I've talked a lot in this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.